page.
Right side of page.
You check out?
The page are like live, bro.
Is that the one?
Oh, yeah, it's not
So it's actually in the share live before it starts. Yeah, let's share the live before it starts.
Ready? Yes, good night. It's a package sport show, right? Yes, good night. Yes, good night. This a package sport show, right? With a live, right? Direct inside the living room, right? We're not giving the boss on there, but pack it, yeah. Pack it out, always hold up the foot, right? Well, we started with semi-pro game play over this weekend, right? Over the weekend, I say, San Pedro Ghana, Benke got knock out Verdes 3-2 overall and 4-3. Big up San Pedro and big dance. Sunday, inside Maran Jones Stadium, we say Progresso and Port knock out Progresso 2-1. That end overall it ends 6-3 overall standing instead standing. Go Port have San Pedro Saturday at San Pedro. That will be leg 1 for the finals. Moving on, the Mayors Cup we play over the weekend. Gone crazy. Big up game 1. Big up Conqueror and Proper Fit. Conqueror has 2-1 Proper Fit. Knock out Conquerors. Big up game 2 RC. Knock out YG 3-1. Why RC advanced to the finals. Listen. So Friday night coming up inside Carama Stadium, the Mayors Cup. The finals. Everybody wants to see the finals. Friday, game 1 will be no other than Griga Conquer versus YG. And later on, game 2 will for close out 2024-2025 Mayors Cup action will be no other than RCFC versus Proper Fit. Then yesterday inside Rana Cup, the final yesterday Rana Cup, Silgrass come in third. Second game RC and Pomona Impacts. Pomona Impacts win that game, 1 goal to 0, knock out RC. Impacts take this champion, defending champion, Impact show the title. They are the defending champion and knock out RC 1-0. Go to there. Win a Mango Creek. Sunday. Just remember, in a month, November 30, DYFA Shaka competition at Islands Bar and Grill. Boy, lot of things this weekend. See the first place show for ya, this is for Saturday in a month, DYFA 9th annual Shaka competition, right the Islands Bar and Grill. Everything live. 55 and over, free ticket, 10 bill at the gate will be 15 bills. Everything are nice. But Friday, I'll not forget, make on way to Carama Stadium. Finals Friday. First game will be Conqueror and YG. Second game will be RCFC and Proper Fits. Because Friday I reach out the Karama Stadium. Why, basketball they begin. The Mayors Cup basketball start in a month as well. Yeah. That's it for sports. Short and sweet. See you next week, same time, same place. Better. Yes, that's no Friday. Big game Friday. The third play matchup will be no Aaron and Kankan versus YG. And the second game, that will be the championship. Who won the 10 grand? Game 2. RCFC versus no other than that. Bengal Chopper of it. Short and sweet. And I should have done say. DYFA Garifuna. Yeah.
I'm gonna stop the music there.
Huh?
Cut it.
Yeah.
Alright, we out.